point is relation between trigonometric Fourier series coefficient and exponential Fourier series coefficient. Now, which are the trigonometric Fourier series coefficient? A0, An, Bn. These are trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. And which are the exponential Fourier series coefficient? C0, Cn are exponential Fourier series coefficient. So we have to find out the relation between exponential Fourier series coefficient and trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. So your C0 is nothing but A0, and this is called as DC value. This is called as DC value or average value. So constant term in the series is nothing but C0, and that is nothing but A0. Then Cn is given by Cn equal to An minus JBn upon 2, and C minus n is given by An plus JBn upon 2. So this is a very important relationship. Based on this relationship there can be questions. So Cn is An minus JBn upon 2, and C minus n is An plus JBn upon 2. So let's look at some questions. If TFS coefficients are C A0 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, B3 equal to 5. Find EFS coefficient. Find EFS coefficient. Okay. So C0 will be A0, so it is nothing but 2. Now C2 will be, what will be formula for C2? A2 plus JB2, A2 minus JB2 divided by 2. But B2 is not given, so take it as 0. So simply A2 by 2. A2 is 4, so 4 upon 2, 2. So C2 is 2. Then C minus 2 formula will be A2 plus JB2 upon 2. But B2 is not present in the question, so B2 is 0. So A2 upon 2. So that means 4 upon 2, that means 2. Then what is present? B3. Okay. So we can get C3 formula also. C3 is nothing but A3 minus JB3. Remember this point. Cn is An minus JBn. Cn is An minus JBn upon 2, and C of minus n is An plus JBn upon 2. So C3 will be A3 minus JB3 upon 2. But A3 is not given in the question, so take it as 0. So minus JB3 given in the question is 5. So minus J5 upon 2. So this is the minus J5 upon 2, and C minus 3 formula will be A3 plus JB3 upon 2. A3 is 0, J times B3 is 5, so 5. So C3 is minus J5 by 2, and C minus 3 is J5 by 2. So this way we have determined the exponential Fourier series coefficients. Now let's look at one more question. If TFS coefficients are A0 equal to 1, A3 equal to 4, and B3 equal to 8. Find EFS coefficient. Okay, so C0 will be A0, so it is nothing but 1. Now A3, B3 is given, so we can write the formula for C3 as C3 equal to A3 minus JB3 upon 2. So A3 is 4, B3 is 8, so minus J8 divided by 2, so 2 to get cancelled out, so it comes out as 2 minus J4. So C3 is 2 minus 4 j4. C minus 3 will be 2 plus j4. So this is the answer for this question. So this is how, if trigonometric Fourier series coefficients are provided, you can determine exponential Fourier series coefficient. Then suppose if exponential Fourier series coefficients are provided, exponential Fourier series coefficients are given, how to determine trigonometric Fourier series coefficient? So you will get two equations. So you have to solve that two equations, and from that you can get the answer for trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. Let's look at the question. If C2 equal to 4j plus 3, find TFS, trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. Okay, so C2 is given. So from that C2 we can easily get C minus 2. C minus 2 will be its conjugate. So 4j plus 3 has conjugate minus 4j plus 3. Okay, so we have the two equations, C2 and C minus 2, and we have to determine trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. So we know that C2 equal to A2 minus JB2 upon 2. So this becomes 2C2 equal to A2 minus JB2. This is equation number 1. And C minus 2 formula is A2 plus JB2 upon 2. That means 2C minus 2 equal to A2 plus JB2. So this is equation number 2. Solve this equation. First you put the values of C2 and C minus 2. Solve this equation. We will get A2 and minus JB2. What is your C2? C2 given in the question is 3 plus 4j. So substitute there. Substitute in equation 1. So it becomes 2 times 3 plus 4j equal to A2 minus JB2. So that is nothing but 6 plus 8j equal to A2 minus JB2. Similarly, substitute the value of C minus 2. So that becomes 2 times 3 minus 4j equal to A2 plus JB2. We have substituted the value of C minus 2 in equation number 2. So this is how our equation number 2 is. So multiply with these 2, so it becomes 6 minus 8j equal to A2 plus JB2. Okay, so this is equation 3, this is equation 4. Add equation 3 and 4. So it becomes 6 plus 8j plus 6 minus 8j equal to A2 minus JB2 plus A2 minus JB2. So this minus JB2 plus JB2 get cancelled out. 8j minus 8j get cancelled out. So 2A2 equal to 12. So A2 equal to 6. Then substitute this thing in either equation 3 or 4. So if I substitute this A2 value in equation number 3, so it becomes 6 plus 8j equal to A2 value is 6 minus JB2. 6 cancel, JJ cancel, so it becomes 8j equal to minus JB2. So JJ cancel, so B2 equal to minus 8. So this is how we have determined the trigonometric Fourier series coefficient from exponential Fourier series coefficient. Now there is relationship between Cn and C minus n. The relationship is that Cn equal to C minus n conjugate, or you can say that C minus n equal to Cn conjugate. Suppose Cn is 3 plus 5j, then C minus n will be conjugate, that means 3 minus 5j. or if suppose c minus n is 2 minus 4j, then cn will be conjugate, so 2 plus 4j. Okay, thank you.